This video is all about Class 6, Lesson 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. This is a news report. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. This is the heading. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am, 19.30 hours IST, as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7 members' crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. This particular clip is about a newspaper main column, which was written by the news reporter, and she kept the whole thing into a small paragraph with the heading Tragedy in Space, US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. How actually the everything, which means the tragedy, how actually happened with all the main points. So, in an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle, which is Columbia, carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla, and along with her, there are 6 others, okay, who broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards when it's actually going to be landing, it's ready to be get landed. At that moment, it actually held, which is on Saturday, 1st February 2003, and unfortunately, all the 7 members on board were killed. So, the space